This video guide will provide you with instructions to help you effectively get rid of the ransomware called Zfdv. Zfdv is a highly malicious file locker type of virus that encrypts the infected user's files, rendering it totally useless. It is a variant of the Zfdv malware group that is created to exploit weakness on a user's computer system and then demand ransom money in exchange for the recovery and decryption of the files they encrypted. The video will demonstrate to you how cruel the ransomware is. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open the files without any complications. But regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device, and then some horrible moment people realize that something bad has happened with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore. And now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. So this is what happened with the files after they got encrypted by this ransomware Zfdv. We try to open the specific file and we get this message mentioning that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Zfdv extension. And by the way, removing this added extension manually does not fix the issue because the files are still encrypted. The ransomware Zfdv, as we said, tells the victims to pay the ransom in the amount of $980 for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So we really and strongly urge you not to pay the ransom, because you may simply lose your money for nothing. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and then start the program and begin researching your system with its help to detect this ransomware. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. In your particular case, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is essential for proper detection and removal of any ransomware, including this Zfdv ransomware. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the excellent feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature is the part of the premium license only, but it gives you a chance to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against all sorts of ransomware or malware attacks. And then at the end of the scanning, you will see the whole summary of all the threats which were revealed. You'll be able to know the exact locations of threats, and we strongly advise that you upgrade to premium to delete all of them altogether and automatically. And this is the best way to remove any ransomware or malware and to keep your data always protected. Thanks for watching.